Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following tech news lately, you've definitely heard about generative AI tools like ChatGPT that write emails, create pictures, or generate code. But there's a new term taking over, Agentic AI. What's the difference? Generative AI is like a brilliant creative assistant. You give it a prompt, like write a travel itinerary for Paris, and in seconds, it gives you a complete text summary. But it only creates content when asked, and then it stops. Now, enter Agentic AI. Agentic AI takes things a step further. Instead of just answering your prompt with words, an AI agent takes on a goal and autonomously works to achieve it with minimal human guidance. Imagine planning that Paris trip. Generative AI writes the plan, but you still have to search and pay. Agentic AI actually searches flights, compares prices, books the hotel using external tools, and adds it to your calendar. How do they connect? Generative AI actually serves as the core intelligence engine inside an agentic system. Large language models provide the reasoning and planning power, while Agentic AI adds the ability to use external tools. This marks a huge shift in how we use computers. We are moving from passive tools that wait for questions to active digital partners that can complete entire workflows for us. Thanks for watching. Which type of AI are you most excited to use in your daily life? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clear tech breakdowns. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.